Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Memo Defender capsule. But before we get into that, while you're waiting for my next video, scammers are still trying to target you. That's why I put together this research system that you can use right away. So link in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see right here guys, we have it here open up on Amazon. So this is basically, just from the name itself, it basically is a capsule or a supplement that helps you with memory loss. So as you can see, there's only one review here, 4.5 stars with only 2 ratings, but only one review that has words in it. So I'm only just started with this, but the signs are very positive. So 4 stars, so far so good, and no other reviews. And I found this article that says why Memo Defender is the best supplement for brain health and focus and nerve support. So as you can see, it is basically what is Memo Defender. So it's basically a dietary supplement designed to enhance cognitive function. So it's for students, professionals, and older adults, and athletes, busy parents, and a lot more. So the effectiveness of the Memo Defender is grounded in scientifically backed formulation. Each ingredient has been carefully blah 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 blah, and basically they'll go over that this is very good and what are the ingredients in it. But I would advise you guys to do some more research before buying this, since it may have some different side effects in your body if you're not careful on how you use it, since it's not very famous yet. If it is really good, it would have made the news. However, if you want to really try this product out, I would advise consulting a professional first before buying this product. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.